Yes, ma'am.
Are you here?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you
Yes,
hearing?
ma'am. Yes, yes. It's audible
Okay.
now.
मैं इसको बंद करूं? Now you are getting my voice?
Yeah, it's audible.
मैं इसको कैमरा ऑफ करती हूँ. I think it is okay now. I think
Ah, yes, yes.
it started like yesterday.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
clear now. Voice is
It's
clear.
clearly. Maybe earlier the network issue was there from both the sides. नहीं, मैं- वो इसलिए कि ये साथ साथ है ना. Because when both the devices are together very closer to echo कुछ होता है. When I put my mobile far off, then that's what I'm using this lead now. For. Well, anyways, we'll continue with the topic employee manual. Now it's very much clear. Suppose now you are joining my company, and my company is having only 25 employees right now. All right, and I don't have an HR department, but I appointed you as an HR person, right? Now, as an employer, I wanted to understand from you how to go about to set up a now, because employee manual helps you to set up an HR department also, and other departments also,
Yeah.
right? So now, being an employer, I expect from you to start an HR department.
Okay. Okay. So, firstly, I check what all other departments are there in the company, what actually the company is all about, what are the work procedure they are following, is it in which industry it is lying, what kind of nature of business the company is doing. On that
Okay.
basis, it can be decided like what would be the strength of the company.
Okay.
And under that, like how we can bifurcate the work in the HR department, how many, what would be the hierarchy of that HR department that would be predefined in that manual. I hope the hierarchy of each department would be there in that manual. So on that basis, we can further decide like what is the hierarchy the company is following, and on that basis, we can start the hiring process.
Okay.
So that
Here,
depends on. Hmm,
yeah,
yes,
so
ma'am.
sorry, I interrupted between. Here you have to start. That's good that you need to know about HR department. The many people are working, but here you first need to discuss on certain parameters to the employer or the
Hmm,
management. Like
hmm,
you have to see the first total organization structure as right now how it is, right?
yeah. Yes.
right? Now you have to use those words. Now let's coming on the professional or the
Yes.
jargons, right?
Yes.
The
Yes.
organization structure we need to understand presently how it's working, right? Then make a list of it, that you have 3 or 4 departments. I mean, admin and account are working all together, but that need to separate, right? Reception and customer care is working together, you may need to separate it. But you have to have the question with the management, right? In future, right? Say future will take it about 3 to 6 months now, not a
Okay.
year planning right now, because it's a new startup. So we'll ask the management that how many employees or how many strength of my seniors, say about department heads, we require in the coming 3 months time. Because the expansion plan only the management can tell you.
Yeah.
If the management says this is my expansion plan and this is my expected manpower in the 6 months time, then you accordingly make a organization structure, hierarchy system.
New hierarchy would not be there earlier in the manual.
See, there is no HR department, there is no manual. He just has a 25 people to work, right? They are directly reporting to the management. There is no senior, no nothing like that. Or say about, if I say about, there are the 2 people in accounts, right? The accountant is directly addressing to the management, and the junior person who is going out to the banking and for clearing checks and all, and for some kind of small paperwork, right? Then he will be reporting to the accountant. So this is what about. But tomorrow
Okay.
you says, your management says that we are expanding with our business, and we need to expand with the department and the manpower also.
Yeah.
So
So
now you have
firstly, we
to
need to
see.
bifurcate. Yeah. Firstly, we need to bifurcate what all 20 or 30 people are
You need
working
to
there.
see. Yes, you need to speak to the department heads also, like in the 6 months time, how much people they require,
Mhm.
right?
Firstly, we have
Say
to
about,
put the working employees into a separate department itself. If there
yes,
is no department,
I mean, you need to bifurcate also. That's coming on
yeah.
that,
Mm.
right? Because already I said the 2 departments are working together.
Yeah. So
Accountant
we
is
need to.
looking after the, because account person is a cashier, right? And he's
Yeah.
looking for the administrative work. Okay, if you
Mm.
need that, finally, okay, give me some requisition form, I will provide you. So he's looking
Yeah.
for the administrative work also,
And
he's looking for the cashier work also.
yeah.
So multiple work,
Yes.
but it's not yet assigned with the proper duties and job responsibilities and hierarchy system, because there is no between the management and the accountant.
Mm. Yes.
Now, as per when the company start up to expand, right? Once the management decide, now it's time that I appoint a person who looks after all these departments. I mean, these all department heads will have one more controller, HR person,
Mm.
right? Because this accountant may have that problem of making the attendance sheet, calculating salaries, so many things. Now
Yes.
now the management says that now our accountant is burdened with so much of work. Instead of giving the person who helps the accountant, why don't I appoint an HR
Hi.
who will
Yeah.
do the multiple things?
Mm.
Who will
Hello. 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 Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Both mics are mute.
Anji?
Both mics were muted.
हाँ, आपको भी कि आपने भी सुना क्या बात हुई?
नहीं.
नहीं सुना? मेरा स्टूडेंट चरण स्पर्श कर रहा था.
Oh, okay.
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा चरण स्पर्श ले लिए, अब 5 बजे बात करेंगे.
Okay.
तो यू नो कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है, कभी कभी बड़ा ऑड लगता है या ना, बट ठीक है, is going on. So हम बात कर रहे थे like HR को अपॉइंट किया. HR has certain responsibility now to manage the things which are cluttered and which are unorganized,
No.
which
Yes.
are unidentified. Now you have to work through in a system. Now it's your duty to make the organization to put and the employees to put their working system in a structured way.
It's true.
That's what you are here. So first of all, you are defining the departments
Yes.
with their job responsibilities, right? And that's enough at the initial stage, right?
So defining department, after that defining responsibilities would be there, or defining the hierarchy would be there.
Both. I mean, once you will be defining the structure, that becomes with the hierarchy system. Organization structure gives the hierarchy system.
Hierarchy.
Right. Maybe you are keeping a person's post vacant right now. You're not appointing, but you're keeping in mind by next month we can appoint between the accountant and a field boy. They need one more person. The system is yet not filled. I mean that vacancy is yet unfilled.
Not.
But you know, इस month काम चलाते हैं, अगले महीने रखेंगे, है ना? So organization structure help you. अब आपको हालांकि पता चल गया कि अब वो क्या है, मैनेजर बीच में है, तो जो सेकंड पर्सन ऑफिसर या सिंपल अकाउंटेंट आएगा, he need not to or she need not to report to the management. He or she will be reporting to the senior of the department or the department head. Right. Similarly, we talk about the sales department. There is a sales manager, right? There is a general manager, sales manager, then field boys. Right. Then sorry, आज calls both are रही हैं. I don't know. See, now we were talking about sales, right? Sales department. Right now, it is general manager, and 2 field executives. But when we sit with the management, we sit with the head of the department, we plan for the future to expand. Then you ask about it, what more you require. I mean, manpower. You require sales officer, you require sales executives, or what? Or you require a tour executive. And when? That basically comes under the recruitment planning, but I'm telling you something more about when you need to know how to make your organization structure, right? In between where the newcomer or the new employee is going to settle, what will be his job responsibility, what will be his right, and to whom he or she will be reporting. Right, that's must for the HR to know, because with the department head you are discussing and then you will be deciding accordingly. So let's come back to like manual now. As I said that organization structure you need to know. You have already discussed now. Your rough draft is planned now. You can make it up. Now it comes about, as I said, the vision, mission statement, and business goal. That obviously management will be giving you, providing you with the like statements, or if the company have a legal advisor, he may also give you.
Okay.
So every manual is going to start up with the vision, mission,
Vision.
and business goal of the company. Because that,
Yeah.
once you open a picture, like if you talk about movie, the casting is going on. So if they are not, this movie have a this theme, on this social work we are focusing on this social work, right? That is similarly your organization is focusing on what? Customer satisfaction, quality, employee satisfaction, or what? Maybe two different things, right? So that you have to mention in the manual. So anybody who will be opening it, so by seeing the document, they can see it now. This is the clear picture. So while just looking at that sentence only, that caption, they understand what kind of industry and what kind of
Culture.
working procedure it will be.
Vision.
So they
Yes.
have this picture clarity in their mind.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Now, after that comes your organization structure. You mentioned the department head's name and the
Okay.
working staff over there, strength of staff, right?
Okay.
If you want to skip, you can skip, but normally people write down
Okay.
organization structure, department heads, right?
Okay.
Now it comes with the internal policies, which are mandatory for any organizations to work on it,
Hmm.
right?
Policies.
So what will be that? I mean, see, we go the manuals
Hmm.
sequence wise that we cannot write the PMS
Ah.
first,
Yes. Yes.
right? Or we cannot write the legal compensation before.
Yeah.
So first of all, we need to write about our working procedures, our working practices. So what do you think that should come first?
In terms of policies only.
Yeah, now we started the,
Okay.
see, making
Policies.
the manual, right? And
Hmm.
as I said you earlier also, this is going to be the first rough draft you are making, right?
Yes.
To
Yes.
get it approved by management, make it fair in a systematic way, then get it
Okay.
printed, or you can do it again.
Okay. Okay.
Means,
Okay.
maybe you have made certain things under certain caption or certain policy name, but management is not agree or partially agree. You need to
Hmm.
change it. So that cannot be the final one. Initially,
Yeah.
you make it, you present it, then have the discussion with the management, and then decide. Now this is the final.
This would
I'm
be the
going to
point.
make the policy.
Yeah. Okay. So, uh, starting it can be with the hiring process itself when it comes to the HR department, how we are uh, identifying the requirement of the organization and on that basis, what no. Okay.
You have already some family members. I mean, you have already staff,
Hmm.
right? Because
Okay.
now we are structuring them first. We are organizing them first. अभी तक
Okay.
किसको पता नहीं था, कोई से अबाउट जो मैनेजर है वो 10:30 आ रहा है, another person is
Okay.
coming at 9. There was no office timing, actual office timing. स्मॉल ऑफिस में ये नॉर्मली रहता है कि यार चलो छोड़ा, आधा घंटा लेट चले जाएंगे, ऐसा कर लेंगे, हम तो शाम को देर तक बैठते हैं, हम सीनियर हैं, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो दे आर नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, दे आर नॉट स्ट्रक्चर्ड, they are
Okay.
not disciplined,
Okay.
right?
So,
Now being an HR, you have to focus on the very first thing about the timing policy.
okay.
And as per law also, as you know, that you need to give 8 hours working, not more than that.
Yes.
So you have to fix up the timing, that 8 hours from when to
Okay.
when,
When? Okay.
morning till evening, when to when.
Okay.
So first policy, we require time policy,
Timing policy. Okay.
right? Now our subject is clear. It is a time policy we are making.
Yeah.
Every policy start up with the objective. Whenever you implement anything in the company, either the new thing or you are going to edit something, there is something objective behind that.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
every policy will consist of objective.
Objective. Okay.
So what does your time policy says? What is the objective?
Objective is to uh, make each and every employee life and work balance so that they can devote a particular time to their family as well as a particular time to the
So
company also.
we normally take it for 2 to 3 lines objective, mainly maximum 4 lines, right? The objective should have a very specific and clear words. Now you need discipline in office,
Discipline. Yeah.
discipline of time.
Hmm.
First objective is disciplinary time. Now the management expects.
Yes. Discipline.
Sorry, HR inquiry, HR course. You're going to get a company. So we were on
Discipline.
the objective, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Objective of time is time management,
Time management. Discipline.
discipline. First is discipline into time.
Yeah.
Second is your time management. I mean, you need not to work late in the evening. You need not to do overwork, right? You need not to stress. So you have to be very specific and objective. Like now, how do you start it? Because some policies you need to address from the management side, some policies you need to address from HR department side, right? Now here we will talk about time policy, right? Management expect every employee to be well in time in the morning so that they can work properly and can go back home in time. So we need to work on certain time issues and fixing up the time, new timings, implementing from. Now you have to give the implementation time effective from, say
Okay, so
about
for each and every policy, each or every
each
whatever
policy.
bullet point, okay, we have to put a specific time.
See, one thing, let me
Okay,
go through subject wise. Policy
uh-huh.
name, then objective, right?
Okay, okay,
Objective addressed by the management, addressed by HR department,
okay.
right? Now it's your wish. Sometimes some policies require some clarity in defining it,
Mm-hmm.
why we are doing this. Then you need certain lines to work on it, right? Otherwise, you can use bullet points also, or you can have the both the combination.
Mhm. Okay. So it's not mandate that we have to put the clarity on each and every policy. It depends. If it
This
requires, we
is
have to move.
this is your love letter. How do you draft a love letter?
Okay,
so
okay.
that so that if you are changing anything, people will not object, employee won't object, right? You have need to make them understand why it's necessary, why you
Right.
are taking
Yeah.
this step,
Mm.
isn't it? So that letter
Mm.
has to be the rosy words. So
At
that's
that
what I
time,
call it. Say that's called a love letter. The more you make it in a nice manner, the more it will be approachable without any objection.
mm.
You need them to understand. That's what I said. Now, it's understand by the management that there is some indiscipline going during the morning hours, morning office hours, and late evening hours. We appreciate the employees comes well in time at the time of office and go well in time back to their homes. Right? It's a rosy words because हम चाहते हैं कि आप extra मत बैठो ना. No need. Right. So keeping this thing in mind, you have to write down the objective.
So
Now,
objective is what we need to explain why
adjective
the
can be,
policy.
yeah, why you're implementing it.
Yeah.
If I'll tell you tomorrow, Swan, that you won't get the cab, right?
Mm.
Then the question mark comes. Why? What reason?
Why?
आज तक तो मिल रहा था. Then it can be maybe for a month or so. This is the COVID situation. We do not want that you should use public vehicle. So we prefer you can use your own vehicle. So that is the objective that made you to understand,
Okay.
right? So everything that has to be, that's what I'm telling. It is a mirror of the company. That has to be very much clear कि जो step आप ले रहे हो वो क्यों ले रहे हो.
Okay. And each and every step has to be amended in the employee manual as well.
It can be say about आज आपने timing change की है 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Right? Right. Now you came to know that the season is changing. It is a winter time, right? You can make it 10 to
It's
5.
a general practice, like for each and every year in the winters, we
I
would be
mean,
changing the time.
maybe
But
some practices are changed within 10 days. You implement it, you found, oh my God, the results are not expected.
yeah.
Even if the situation is getting worse. So to identify where you are wrong in making this policy,
Policy.
you need to stop it.
Okay.
So this is ongoing process. You got my point. This is ongoing process that you have to find out why you are making, why it's necessary, implement it with certain points. What
Voice.
Hello.
Yeah. It's clear.
I think I'll take a time.
Okay.
I'm back.
Yeah.
कभी कभी मैंने आज आपकी मतलब कह लो कि फेस देख के मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. I'm getting I'm getting posh requirement, posh training
चलो
requirement. So आज का दिन तो आप ही के साथ ही बिताना पड़ेगा मुझे लगता है.
ठीक है मैम.
So you understood about, because अभी भी हमने देखो पॉलिसी पे वर्क, हमने मैनुअल बनाने पे वर्क स्टार्ट कर दिया है. और मे बी ये जो 3 days हैं तो हमारे बाय मंडे और
इसी पे
ट्यूसडे
चलेंगे.
तक इसी पे चलेंगे.
हाँ. It
कुछ
would be a
मैं
long
आपको
process.
से अबाउट, जैसे मैंने आपको टाइम पॉलिसी बताई है, राइट.
Hmm.
तो टाइम पॉलिसी एक तो चेंज करने के लिए है ड्यू टू सर्टेन फैक्टर्स, राइट.
Hmm.
और इसके साथ साथ हम एक पॉलिसी और लेते हैं, टाइम पॉलिसी को हम पंक्चुअलिटी पॉलिसी भी बोलते हैं,
Hmm. Okay.
राइट. People are coming late. I mean, you do not need to change the time. 9 to 5:30 is there. You need 9 to 5:30.
Hmm.
But some people are coming at 9:10. Some people are coming at 9:15. Some are coming 9:20.
Hmm.
So that makes other person will see, the other employee says, when my boss is coming late or when my another colleague is coming late, so what I do.
Hmm.
So वो discipline
Better
नहीं
like
रहे.
it. Yeah.
Now here you need to control discipline.
Yeah.
So अभी टाइम पॉलिसी के अंदर हमारा सेकंड फेज है discipline of time,
Discipline. Okay.
punctuality. Now we name it punctuality policy.
Okay.
That we can give office timing policy. Now I'm differentiating both the policies. One is
Timing
office
policies.
timing policy,
Office timing policy.
right?
Hmm.
You are defining the office timing.
Office hours. Yeah.
Second office timing is now punctuality policies. You are going to make the discipline in coming and going time.
Hmm.
In that
So rather we
objective
can say
is
working hours.
working hours are 8. No, we are not changing working hours. Here you can change the working
हाँ.
hours. आप कह सकते हो थोड़ा से भी उससे आपके से क्या वर्किंग आवर्स आप 8 की जगह 6 नहीं कर रहे हो, या 8 की जगह आप 10 नहीं कर रहे हो.
Hmm.
Neither you are decreasing nor you are increasing. तो वर्किंग आवर्स
Hmm.
नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are
Hmm.
talking about time punctuality.
Hmm.
Say about
9
क्या
है तो
होता है.
9 ही है और 8 है
9
तो
है तो
8 ही
9
है.
है, 8 है. You got my point. सबसे पहले तो आपने ऑफिस टाइमिंग डिसाइड कर लिया कि my office timing is from 8 a.m. right? Maybe you have 3 shift as I said. वर्कर की शिफ्ट अलग है, ऑफिस की शिफ्ट अलग है. Then you need to see किसकी शिफ्ट चेंज कर रहे हो आप, उसी को आप एड्रेस करोगे, right? क्यों करोगे? Because you are analyzing that people are not coming in time and making the environment negative and indisciplined, right? So to make the whole organization work under discipline, management has decided to fix up the timings, working timings or the office timing, right?
Office time. Yeah.
Now we cannot be very strict or rigid, right?
Yeah.
Suppose your timings are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Right? You have mentioned, as all of us know, the timings are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. Now the company has decided, the management has decided to provide you some relaxation.
Okay.
अब वो relaxation आपने decide करनी है being an HR. ठीक है? तो ये आपका assignment है. आज आप इस पे work करोगे, right? Without seeing my policies. Without Google, just use your mind, whatever it comes.
Okay.
कि अगर आप मैनेजमेंट है, आप कंपनी चलाते हैं, आप HR हेड हैं, तो what do you think आप क्या relaxation दोगे, कितना दोगे?
Okay. But timing would be 9 to 5:30 only. In
9
between
to
हम उसको
5:30,
कैसे
हाँ, कैसे
क्या
मैनेज करते
उसमें
हैं?
मैनेज कर सकते हैं? ओके।
यहाँ पे एक क्लू मैं आपको देती हूँ, ठीक है? एक क्लू देती हूँ कि जो एम्प्लॉय पंचुअल रहेगा विदाउट टेकिंग द रिलैक्सेशन विल बी रिवॉर्डेड। देखिए अभी आपको अगर किसी को बोलोगे तुम लेट आओगे 10 मिनट तो मैं तुम्हारे 500 रुपए काट लूंगा, 100 रुपए काट लूंगा, बोले काट लो भैया, बहुत कमाते हैं, मेरे पापा के पास भी बहुत पैसा है, आई डोंट बॉदर। That way you are not helping to improve them in the their behavior. Here you need to improve their behavior, to take certain steps which will be uh, to make the environment positive and under discipline for whole organization, not for one department, not for one employee or few employees, for all employees. Because now you have to write it down. This will be implementing or on all the staff,
On all these. But it can be
all the
different.
whole
It
you
can
can,
be
if
different on.
if you have certain, I mean, time schedule for managers and all, you can write it down, but you have to mention in your policy, right? Here now you are going to make the results positive, work culture positive, their behavior under control, right? So many things to make them into discipline. How to make it? I mean, if you punish them, penalty them, they won't. So be a bit flexible, give them some relaxation, and for motivation to tell them that there will be reward if you do not avail this relaxation.
Okay.
Right? That will be another case. So now you have to make two policies. One is your office policy timing. Second one is your timing policy for your daily routine.
Daily
Right?
routine for?
I mean daily routine to make
Daily
discipline.
routine. Discipline.
But that is, we normally give the name time policy and punctuality policy. So tomorrow we will do at least 4 policies, right? Or 3 policies tomorrow we will do, because I have near about 10 to 15 policies, right? Every day at least we should do 5 policies. If we need to increase timing, because today I'm having so many calls, so tomorrow if I need to increase your time, I may increase your time also.
Sure.
Because I'm going to record that conversation.
Okay.
Right? How do you go about that? Because why I'm telling you to record it, you will get to know what you have discussed, where I pointed out, and how it has to be. So this is a revision of yours. That will be the revision of your class. Anytime you can see from YouTube, or you can have from me. You can go through that what I have taught you, what I have given you certain guidelines how to make policies. So that's what I want, that should go in a systematic way.
Systematic. Yes.
Right? Yeah. So this is your homework, this is your assignment for today, and I'm working on your I'm checking your documents also.
Okay.
I'm correcting it. Right?
Okay.
You'll get it soon. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.